Solution of linear equations means the value of the variable which satisfies the equation. In geometry, linear equations in two variables are used for representing lines. Other equations are used for representation of curves also. The point which satisfies the equation lies on that only. An equation of a line essentially defines the conditions which must be satisfied by every point on the line. Here, the problem is to find the equation of a given line in the plane with reference to suitable coordinate system. When such an equation is determined, the given line said to be described by that equation. We have already learnt the graphical representation of linear equations and the graphs at lines represented by equation x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Consider the line AB. Line AB is parallel to x-axis such that its distance from the y-axis is a. The x-coordinate of every point on the line AB is a, which is a fixed number. We write this as x is equal to a, which is the equation of line AB. All the points in the plane having x-coordinate a lie on the line AB. Consider the line CD. Line CD is parallel to the x-axis such that its distance from x-axis is b. The y-coordinate of every point on the line CD is b, which is a fixed number, so y is equal to b, which is the equation of line CD. All the points having coordinate b lie on the line CD. If a line is not parallel to any of the axes, means if it is inclined, then also it has an equation. We will find the equation of the line in standard form. We will derive the equation of line having slope m and the y-intercept of the line is c. Let line L intersect y-axis in a point A. So, coordinate of point A is 0. Slope of the line L is m. Let P, x, y be any point on the line L. Let point P, x, y is any point on the line L. We know to find the slope of the line if two points are given. Here, slope of line AP is equal to y minus c upon x minus 0. But slope of line L is equal to slope of line AP is equal to m. Therefore, y minus c upon x minus 0 is equal to m. Therefore, y minus c is equal to mx. Therefore, y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is the standard equation of a line where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. If c is equal to 0, then line passes through the origin. Therefore, we get y is equal to mx. Therefore, equation of a line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx. If the coefficient of x is positive, the line is in the first and third quadrant. If the coefficient of x is negative, the line is in the second and fourth quadrant. The examples of the same are given in the table. Any equation written in the form of y is equal to mx plus c represents a straight line. Every straight line can be represented by the equation y is equal to mx plus c, which is a linear equation. Coordinates of all points on a line satisfy the equation of the line, and conversely, the points whose coordinates satisfy the equation lie on the line. Let us look at some solved examples. Example 1. If slope of the line is 2 and y-intercept is 5, then write the equation. Solution. Slope of the line is equal to m is equal to 2. Y-intercept is equal to C is equal to 5. Slope-intercept form of the equation is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, y is equal to 2x plus 5 is the required equation. Example 2. Write the equation 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 in the slope-intercept form. Solution. 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Y is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 4 upon 3. Here, m is equal to 2 upon 3x and c is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Example 3. Point P with coordinates 2, 3 is a point on the line y is equal to 3x plus c. Find c. Solution. Point P lies on the line y is equal to 3x plus c. Therefore, coordinates of P satisfy the equation. Put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 in the given equation. We get y is equal to 3x plus c. 3 is equal to 6 plus c. C is equal to minus 3. Let us solve the sums from exercise 5.2. Question 1. Find the slope and y-intercept of the lines given by number 1. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. Solution. Equation of a line having slope m and intercept y as c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 3x minus 5 given, hence slope m is equal to 3, y-intercept c is equal to minus 5. Number 2, y is equal to 2 upon 3x plus 4. Solution. Equation of a line having slope m and y-intercept c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 2 upon 3x plus 4 given, hence slope m is equal to 2 upon 3, y-intercept c is equal to 4. Question 2. Write the equation of the lines if m and c is given. Number 1. M is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 3. Solution. Slope of the line is equal to m is equal to minus 4. Y-intercept is equal to c is equal to minus 3. Equation of a line having slope m and y-intercept c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. Substituting the values of m and c, we get y is equal to minus 4x plus into bracket minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4x minus 3 is the required equation. Number 2. M is equal to 4, c is equal to 0. Solution. Slope of the line is equal to m is equal to 4. Y-intercept is equal to c is equal to 0. Equation of a line having slope m and y-intercept c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. Substituting the values of m and c, we get y is equal to 4x plus 0. Therefore, y is equal to 4x is the required equation. Number 3. M is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 3. Solution. Slope of the line is equal to m is equal to 0. Y-intercept is equal to c is equal to minus 3. Equation of a line having slope m and y-intercept c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. Substituting the values of m and c, we get y is equal to 0 into x plus into bracket minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 0 minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 is the required equation. Question 3. Write the equation of line in slope-intercept form. Number 1. 2y minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solution. Equation of a line having slope m and y-intercept c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. For this, we will convert 2y minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 in y is equal to mx plus c form. Therefore, 2y is equal to 3x minus 5. Number 2. 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Solution. Equation of a line having slope m and y-intercept c is given as y is equal to mx plus c. For this, we will convert 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 in y is equal to mx plus c form. Minus 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 5. Question 4. If minus 2 comma minus 3 is a point on the line 2y is equal to mx plus 5, find m. Solution. Minus 2 comma minus 3 lies on the line 2y is equal to mx plus 5. So, minus 2 comma minus 3 should satisfy the equation. Substituting x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3 in the given equation, we get minus 6 is equal to minus 2m plus 5. M is equal to 11. M is equal to 11 upon 2